We got one goal in mind today. All right. Now, listen, guys. I didn't have a video for today. I was like, man, I want to record a video. I was like, man, I'm hyped. Okay. I want to record a video for you guys because you guys deserve a video. Just because. And I was really thinking, I was like, man, I need to put out a video. I said, I really need to come out with a video. I said, let me think. Okay. And I literally been thinking all day of what video I can make. And I was going to make a video just now. I was about to be like, you know what? Forget it. I can't think of nothing. I just make a roast of my subscribers' ways. You know, I'm about to make like 2 or 3 of those back to back because, again, DM's getting full again. But, hey, I get a notification on my phone, you know, because I get notified, you know, when you guys drop comments. Certain comments, not all comments, but certain. And this one said, it was basically how to get your hair grow, a home remedy. So I was like, you know what? We gonna do it, all right? He said, yo, do this to get your hair to grow a little faster.
Mix 2 eggs and 4 tablespoons with extra virgin olive oil. Mix it with a fork. Put in your hair, brush through. After an hour, wash it out. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let it melt, and then apply the hair. Brush, rag up, and then leave overnight. When you wake up, wash it all out and do what you normally do. And I saw growth by the end of the day. You should try.
But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You know, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just sitting here. I feel like I'm ranting. We gonna hurry up. I don't just get to the bathroom. Yeah, just get to the bathroom. Yeah, let's go to the bathroom. Alright, I honestly don't know why I came in the bathroom when I have to go get all the stuff downstairs because everything that I need is downstairs, so... Alright, so I got all the supplies, everything now is taken care of, like I got everything, okay? Now, for the subscriber that sent the comment, or if you're not a subscriber, you're a viewer, whatever, I hope avocado oil is okay. We don't really use virgin oil, so I hope this was okay. I got the 2 eggs, I got all that. Also, this is at home, you know, remedy, so if you guys don't have a tablespoon, I didn't feel like going and looking for it, to be honest. I really didn't feel like going and looking for it. So I just got a little spoon that also equivalent to a tablespoon. And then I got the fork, I got the 2 eggs, I got all that, okay? So virgin coconut oil, I got that too. But he said after, you know, we put it in there, let it sit, all that, you know, all that. But, yeah, we gonna go ahead and mix it. I'm gonna change the camera angle for you guys so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so when doing this, I recommend having some paper towels on deck because he really wasn't specific on, you know, basically how, you know you're gonna put this and put this in your hair. So I'm pretty sure he just meant use your hands and put that boy in there, or just tip it in your head, which is I'm definitely not doing. But you know, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna have my paper towels already ready. We just kind of go ahead and get into it. Actually, hold on. I'm not about to get my shirt covered in all this eggs and stuff like that.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
So we're gonna go ahead. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm not really sure. He didn't really say specifically how to do this. Oh, not smart. Dumbass motherfucker. Not smart. So wait, since I got this on my face too, then does that mean my wannabe beard's gonna grow too?
No, son.
1 hour later.
Alright. So it's over with. You know what I'm saying? It's over with. Now let me show you guys what this looks like. It looks freaking ridiculous. So look at this. Look at this. This looks ridiculous. Redunculous. This looks outrageous. Is that a ripple? No. Just my imagination. So now, what we gotta do is we gotta go hop in this shower. Okay, we gotta go hop in this shower. We got to wash this out. And then I just read what he said. He said after we wash it out, we let it dry, put some virgin 2 to 3 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, melt it in our hands. We're gonna put it in there, and then we're just going to maybe probably get a session in real quick, you know, because it's nighttime. Gotta get my nighttime session. Pick this up in a little bit. Alright, so I just washed it all out of my hair. You know, it's all out. Basically, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Alright, I'm gonna basically wait for it to dry. After it dries, then I'm gonna put the virgin coconut oil in there. Right now, the result is it made my hair really soft. Alright, my hair is super soft right now. It feels a little bit thicker, but you know, we gonna wait for this to dry. You know, it's gonna take about 10 minutes or so. But you know, in that time, I'll be back. You know, like how Arnold Schwarzenegger said,
"I'll be back."
All right, so I'm back. All right, I'm back. The hair is dry. I got the virgin coconut oil. You know, I got a spoon to measure out the tablespoons because it gave me a specific number of tablespoons I was supposed to use. I got the mirror. I get the brush. I get the do-rag, alright? I got a little jacked up do-rag, like an old do-rag, because I'm not trying to get all this coconut oil on my, you know, nice do-rags, you know? So that's why I had to kind of, you know, get more of a messed up do-rag. So now, I'm going to take our coconut oil, pretend like that didn't happen, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a tablespoon of this virgin coconut oil. Alright, oh, this is a lot. Okay. So bruh, he said 2 to 3. He said, yeah, 2 to 3. So, and then he said melt it in your hands. Oh, wow. Okay. The things I've never done anything like this to my hair before, guys. Like, never, ever in life have I done all this to my hair. It's bad. Like, it's just like a lot. That's what I should do. It's like a lot, okay? I know coconut oil has a lot of like good things just for your body, like you eating it or you swallow, things like that. You know, it has a lot of good things for your hair. But bruh, bruh, I just cleaned up the mess too, and I'm not trying to look, guys. All right, see, a lot. It is a lot. We're gonna just go ahead and put it in. I mean, I guess it's good since my hair's like super dried out, I guess. But I'm only going to be putting 2 tablespoons in there. Just because it's like, still a lot. Like, yeah. It's definitely, 2 tablespoons is definitely more than enough. Yeah. So, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go ahead. I'm really not going to be talking during when I put the whole other tablespoon in there. But yeah. Okay guys, this is a lot of coconut oil. I'm definitely not going to put a third one in there. I think I can for sure say this is probably the last time I'm gonna listen to the comment section. You know, mostly because this is just doing too much. Like, there's so many hair growth oils out there and different things like that you could buy to stop, just not go through this process. But guys, if you guys want to know, where you guys can buy any of this stuff that I use, I'm not really gonna leave a link to eggs, but I'll leave a link to the extra virgin olive oil and the coconut oil down in the description below. You guys can go check that out if you guys want to go buy it. Go try this out. You know, eggs, you gotta go to, like, you guys gotta go to Meijer or something like that, or your local supermarket, grocery store. You know, if you guys want to go and get eggs, just go to your supermarket or grocery store. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, you definitely don't want eggs coming to you in the mail unless you get your groceries delivered to you. Then whatever. But I'm gonna get in probably like just a 2-minute brush session, just if that. You know, God, I don't want to be on here too long. Alright, so guys, we're basically going to let this sit overnight. I'm going to pick this back up in the morning. I know you guys just kind of want to see the results. Alright, so what do you guys think? I mean, what do y'all think? Y'all think the results is good, bad? Like, what y'all thinking? I mean, coconut oil definitely made my hair thick, man. It feels healthy. It looks healthier. It looks darker. You know, it doesn't give that, like, dead look, you know, nothing like that. But yeah, those are the results. Now, do I recommend doing this? I don't know about that, to be honest, because like it was a little bit extreme with the whole eggs and virgin coconut oil thing, and I don't know. I felt like that was just more for entertainment purposes. So I hope I entertained you. But you already know, like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video if you like the video, because of course you like the video. And I mean, drop down comments because you guys already know that I love reading you guys' comments. I see all the comments down below, and also go ahead and subscribe. You guys already know. When you subscribe, and hit the bell notification, you get notified when we drop in fire videos. You guys already know we only drop in fire videos. And stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!